English Listening Test for Kids, Level 1, Test 8. One. What's that?
It's a pig.
What's that?
It's a pig.
Two. How many ladybugs are there?
There are 12 ladybugs.
How many ladybugs are there?
There are 12 ladybugs.
3. What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
4. What do you want to drink?
I'd like coffee, please.
What do you want to drink?
I'd like coffee, please.
5. What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
6. The girl is crying. She is sad. The girl is crying. She is sad. 7.
It is a bird. It can swim. It says quack. It is a duck. It is a bird. It can swim. It says quack. It is a duck.
8. What is he doing?
He is drinking.
What is he doing?
He is drinking.
9. How old is the boy?
He is 13.
How old is the boy?
He is 13.
10. I have 3 erasers. I have 3 erasers.